Psychological factory presence. 7 signs a girl is heartbroken. Having sleepless nights, crying for no reason, getting distracted easily are some of the signs a girl is heartbroken. Let's take a look at some of the signs that shows you have a broken heart and how to make things better as soon as you can. Let's begin. 1. Crying for no reason. If you find yourself crying all the time, or just crying for absolutely no reason, you may be suffering from a broken heart. A simple indicator that you are crying because you are heartbroken is if every little thing sets you off. Don't worry, this too shall pass, just let it all out. 2. Heaviness on your chest. If you feel like something heavy is sitting on your chest, or you are finding it harder to breathe, it can be a sign of broken heart syndrome. That said, if you feel pain, try seeking medical attention as soon as you can. 3. Having sleepless nights. If you are finding it hard to fall asleep, or waking up every 2 minutes during the night, you have a broken heart. Sleepiness nights, accompanied by crying or thinking about where it all went wrong, is an indicator of heartbreak. 3. Panic attacks. Panic attacks are normal when you are heartbroken. You may experience all types of symptoms suddenly. Don't worry, it will pass, just give it time. Try to distract yourself by doing things you like. 5. You are suddenly forgetful. Being heartbroken causes you to think of so many things at once. You are suddenly forgetful of everything and can't seem to finish a simple sentence. 6. You are easily distracted. If you can't stay focused on a task or can't concentrate when in a conversation, you are heartbroken. You find yourself easily distracted from things you used to find interesting. 7. Always thinking about the person. Having a broken heart will make you think about the person who caused it a lot. You suddenly find yourself having him or her always on your mind. These are the 7 signs a girl is heartbroken. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Keep loving and do support. Take care.